With the advance in remote control technology, the one area that has seen some serious developments, and which doesn't get written about enough, is the area of security. There are so many devices available in the market today that let you make your home, office, electronic gadgets, or your vehicles more secure. And one of the companies that has been quietly doing some great work in this department is Omega. Our product today, the Omega Excalibur Carlink LINKR-M1, is a 2G-based smartphone vehicle control and tracking system that packs so many features in an app and an innocuous-looking device that you need to check it out once yourself to completely appreciate it. We will, of course, try to cover the key features in this review.
Here we go.
The LINKR-M1 works with any Gsm Sim card of your choice on a 2G network, just like an unlocked cell phone. Vehicular tracking over 2G wasn't allowed in the US till some time back, and the many benefits of this wonderful device were only available to users in other countries. But, luckily for us, everyone in the US too can make full use of these features now, as long as you are covered by a working 2G network. Using the phone-based app, which supports 6 languages including English and Spanish, you can choose up to 6 recipients for the alerts. The options for alerts themselves are really wide: car alarm trigger, low vehicle battery, anti-tow, speed, and geofence. But beyond the alerts, you can also do a whole lot else with the app. You can lock and unlock your vehicle remotely. You can start or stop your vehicle, release the trunk, disable the engine, set up other auxiliary functions, and control multiple devices, all from this easy-to-use app. GPS-related settings include heartbeat, auto-tracking, 2 selectable geofences, and speed alerts. You can also activate the valet mode, where all security alerts are disabled, except for the panic and low battery ones, of course. In fact, the highly customizable app lets you add even more features using in-app purchases. On the hardware side, the LINKR-M1 couldn't look simpler. 3 outputs and 3 trigger inputs, and a starter-disable relay and socket are pretty much all there is to this very useful device that works on the iData Link protocol. If you have the Omega external microphone and voice service activated on your SIM plan, the app can even call the device in your car, and you can incredibly listen in. If you need any help figuring out the many functions, you are also provided with a detailed manual to make life easy for you. People who have been using Omega products for some time now would not be surprised with the many features of this tracking device. But even for new users, becoming a fan wouldn't take long. A highly recommended product for all car lovers indeed. That's about all we have time for to talk about the Omega Excalibur Carlink LINKR-M1 car tracker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at some of our other reviews for tracking devices here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.